excited to be participating in a challenge hosted by Sandra of the Schrowen's Nest. Sandra makes beautiful farmhouse DIYs and is great with helping us newer YouTubers. She is very talented and I always look forward to seeing what she makes. Her co-host is Yanni and Diane of Deco Easy. I love watching their channel. Also, Diane is Yanni's daughter-in-law, and they make beautiful and whimsical at times vignettes as well as farmhouse. They live in the Netherlands and are also very supportive to us newer YouTubers. I thrifted this gold frame at Habitat for Humanity and paid $1.50 for it. And I am just dry brushing a red onto the gold. I don't want complete coverage. And I'm also dry brushing it on these napkin rings I picked up for $1. It was $1 for 8 and I'm using 4 of them. I'm just picking out different fall-like colors. I've got this orange, harvest orange, and I'm just dry brushing it along also. And I've also got truffle and mossy green. All of these were Waverly chalk paint except for the orange that I used. It was Apple Barrel from Walmart. And I just go back and forth blending the paint. Where I get too much, I wipe it off. And I just want it to be kind of blended but not muddy. And what I do to the frame, I try to remember to do to my napkin rings as well. And here's a mistake I made. After I let my frame dry, I was fixing to glue the napkin rings to the bottom to make my legs. And the napkin rings are very big, but I was going to push them to the, just to the outside corner like this. So I did this, not thinking. I was getting ready to put my glass back into my frame, and guess what? It wasn't gonna fit. So I eventually just popped off the legs again and just cleaned my glass. And when I added the legs back on, I just opted to just hot glue them. That way, if I change my mind and want to use it as a frame, it won't be a permanent hole with the E6000. I added some scrapbook paper to the inside and added the backing back onto the frame. And I'm just using push points to hold everything in there. And now I'm going to clean the other side of the glass. And once again, I'm going to glue those legs, napkin rings as legs, back onto the bottom. My second project was easy. I got this wooden acorn at a yard sale, and although the back looked pretty, but the inside was all beat up and it didn't look nice. So I just kind of painted it with the same colors as I did the frame. My last project is easy also. It's been a while since I've done a bead garland, and I wanted to do one for the fall. So I painted 10 of these beads that I gotten from Amazon with orange acrylic paint. I also did 10 beads using the green. I've had this craft lace, this plastic craft lace for years, so I decided to use it to string my beads, and it was real easy to string them on this. And I would just do one orange, and then I would use a small natural bead that hadn't been painted and put it on next, and then put the green and just repeat. I just tied off the end of the lace to hold on the bead. I made a tassel out of jute twine using this piece of cardboard. I wrapped it around about 12 times, and then I put a cut piece of twine and tied it at the top, and then cut it at the bottom. And then I took another piece of jute twine and wrapped it around to make my tassel. And then I just tied it onto the end of my beads. I had this leaf that I took off a pumpkin from Dollar Tree, and I attached it to the other end. And here's my finished project. I love how it turned out. I'm very happy with it. And I just put it on my $2 tablecloth that I thrifted, and I really love how it looks. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Hit my subscribe button if you haven't already. I'd love to have you join my family. And until next time, bye.